Good morning, Saugus. I'm Joshua Saldana.
And I'm Gavin Johnson. Today is Wednesday, February 26th. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, and continuing our celebration of Black History Month, we thought we'd tell you about Alice Coachman.
Alice Coachman was a trailblazing athlete who became the first black woman to win an Olympic gold medal. Born in 1923 in Georgia, she faced racial and gender barriers, but persevered in track and field. Her dedication led her to dominate the high jump competitions, earning national championships throughout the 1940s.
At the 1948 London Olympics, Coachman made history by winning gold in the high jump with a record-setting leap. She was the only American woman to win gold at these games and received recognition from President Harry S. Truman. Her victory paved the way for future black female athletes in international sports.
After retiring, Coachman focused on education and inspiring young athletes. She founded the Alice Coachman Track and Field Foundation to support Olympic hopefuls. Her legacy remains a symbol of resilience, excellence, and breaking barriers in sports. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
The front gate, located directly in front of the office, will now be locked beginning at 4 p.m. when the administration office closes for the day. The pedestrian walk-through gate, located at the back of the parking lot near the blacktop, will remain open for any after-school sporting events or on-campus activities.
Students will still have access to exit through the Performing Arts Center gate and the pedestrian gate at the back of the parking lot for pickups after any school event or on-campus activity.
If you're a freshman, sophomore, or junior interested in taking REACH during the upcoming fall semester, applicants must have a 2.5 to 3.5 GPA and be interested in attending a four-year college or university. If you're interested, scan the QR code for the link to apply.
In honor of Black History Month, Black Student Union is hosting their second annual Black History Month Spirit Week. Today is Music Day, so hopefully you're wearing merchandise of your favorite black musician to celebrate Black's contribution to the mainstream music. Tomorrow is Sneaker Day, so please be sure to celebrate Black's contribution to fashion through sneakers. Friday is Unity Day, or Blackout, where you can wear red, black, and green to show solidarity with the black community.
Now let's go to Riley Roxburgh with today's Soccer Sports Update.
Thanks, Gavin. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Riley Roxburgh with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, baseball competes in the Easton Tourney. Boys lacrosse plays Castaic at Castaic. Varsity plays at 3 and JV plays at 5. Tomorrow, boys volleyball plays Lancaster at Saugus. JV plays at 3:30 and varsity plays at 4:30. Boys tennis plays Simi Valley. Varsity plays at Saugus and JV plays at Simi Valley. Both games start at 3. Also tomorrow, JV Boys Golf plays Hart at the Vista Valencia Golf Course. The game starts at 1. Varsity Girls Lacrosse plays La Cañada at La Cañada. The game starts at 3. Also tomorrow, Swim and Dive plays Glendora at the Santa Clarita Aquatic Center. Dive starts at 2 and swim starts at 3. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. That's all for me. In honor of National Potato Lovers Month, let's go to Joshua Saldana with our third edition of Cooking with Potatoes, Beef and Potato Stew.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Joshua Saldana, cooking for SNN. In this edition of Cooking with Potatoes, we'll be making hearty beef and potato stew. Before we start, there are some important things to know when cooking this recipe, since it involves the use of a stove and knives. When chopping up your ingredients with a knife, always cut away from your finger. Next, when using a stove, keep flammable objects such as rags, clothing, and your skin away from it. Now let's begin the recipe. The necessary ingredients needed for this dish are 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 pounds of beef chunk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 10 shallots peeled, 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, 4 cups of low sodium beef broth, 3 tablespoons double concentrated tomato paste, and 13 ounces of baby potatoes. Step 1. Before you start cooking, prep some of the ingredients. Peel the shallots and mince the garlic. Step 2. Pour olive oil and unsalted butter into a large pot and heat over high. Place the beef in a single layer and seared, undisturbed, for 3 minutes. Then stir and cook until the meat is golden brown on all sides. Step 3. Add salt, pepper, paprika, thyme, and sugar to the pot. Stir in garlic and cook for 2 minutes. Add cornstarch and stir until fully incorporated. Finally, add shallot and soy sauce. Step 4. Pour the beef broth. Bring to a boil, cover, and simmer for 1 hour over medium-low. Step 5. Stir in the tomato paste and add potatoes. Simmer for 30 minutes more or until the meat is tender and the potatoes are ready. Add a splash of water if needed. Taste and adjust salt before serving. Now once prepared, you can serve this delicious, nutritious, and easy to cook stew. And enjoy. This has been Joshua Saldana, cooking for SNN. Hey Gavin, what's your favorite type of stew?
I kind of like that stew that was just shown.
Thank you. LitMag is accepting submissions of drawings, paintings, collages, digital art, poetry, short stories, and photography to the 2024 to 2025 Literary Magazine. To submit your art, you must pick up a submission form in room P1606. Submissions are due by March 21st.
Seniors! American Public Works Association is offering scholarships to seniors pursuing a career in civil engineering or public works related to engineering fields. Up to 10 scholarships worth up to $2,500 will be awarded. To apply, pick up an application in the counseling office. Applications are due March 14th.
The San Fernando Valley Deltas is offering a $5,000 scholarship to an African American student. Applicants must have a cumulative GPA of 2.75 or higher and will compete based on their leadership abilities and academic performance. Applications can be found in the Senior Google Classroom or picked up in the counseling office and are due Monday, March 17th.
Seniors! You can now submit photos and videos to this year's Senior Slideshow. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit from any point throughout your childhood and high school life. Pictures and videos can be submitted to the email or Instagram listed below. Slideshows are available for purchase in the ASB web store or in the ASB office for only $15.
That's all for today. I'm Joshua Saldana. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Gavin Johnson. Remember, Saugus, there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.